Parker, do you like your stroller?
Yeah.
Which one?
I like this one.
You like that one? The blue one?
Yeah.
How about the red one?
Black one.
Alright, Zoe.
Cheese.
Cheese! Alright, Parker, which is your favorite stroller? Which one do you like?
Cheese.
Cheese! Click! Yay! Which stroller do you like?
I like this.
You like the red one? You like the blue one? You like the blue and the black one? What about the red one?
Yeah.
Do you like the red one?
Yeah.
Can you sit down in the red one?
You wanna watch? Yeah. Let's go.
Do you want to play peekaboo?
Yeah.
Where's Parker? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I see you!
I see you.
Alright. Do you like the red stroller?
Which one is that?
Which one do you want?
I like this one.
Which one?
One.
Alright, so we're technically in the middle of an unboxing when I decided to do a video. This is, hey Parker! We're opening the box. So this is the Zoe XLC. This is a new travel stroller that we have gotten for Parker, and let's get into it. So as you can see here, we decided to get a red stroller, and it does come with an accessory, which is this. This is the Zoe backpack, and this backpack with straps, they're not padded, but this will hold the Zoe stroller. It comes unassembled, or at least mostly assembled. You do have to throw the wheels on, as you can see there. Alright, let's see here. It has some soft padded shoulder straps. It's got your harness. It's got a 5-point harness right there. I'm gonna open it up and put it back together.
Cheese.
Cheese!
I'll go first.
Hi Parker!
Take a picture, please.
Hold on, Daddy's doing a video. Alright. Cheese, say hello everybody.
Cheese.
I just woke up from a nap. Alright, hold on, be right back. What letter is this?
Cheese.
That's right. The letter C.
Wow, yay!
Comes with instructions. This is the canopy that we'll put on, along with warranty registration information. Nice wheels. They feel like semi-foam rubber. So they're relatively large wheels. Alright. 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 Wheels. So as far as I can tell, the wheels are all the same as far as for the front, so nothing saying left or right. And if you can see, there is a little spring on it. I don't know if you can see that. Careful. Alright, so the wheels. As you can see here, the wheels. Let me zoom in here. Snap into place. They stay on pretty sturdy. Alright, now for the front wheels. I really shouldn't read instructions. as you can see, these two slide in. And they've got a little, I guess, a latch here to hold them in place. Okay, now that is cool. Alright, now I'm gonna put the canopy. Vroom, vroom. Alright. Alright, so it looks like the canopy snaps into place like so. So, Velcros to the side, the canopy, and then Velcros to the inside here, and then it Velcros here. Same thing on the other side. Velcro, Velcro.
Whoa!
Alright, so let's take a look at the canopy. It's got a peekaboo window. It has a multi-part shade with an extension for even more sun protection. So if we take a look down here, it's got adjustable leg supports. There's a little lever underneath. And it also has a nice recline feature with a one-handed recline and a two-handed strap to put the seat back into the upright position. Overall, it's got very supportive bottom. It's got a very nice supportive back so your baby won't necessarily hunch back over, straighten out the spine. Side straps, and supposedly it's about 11 pounds, so that's pretty good. So this is a two-handed fold. Folds up pretty small, and again it's supposed to be about 21 inches, which is sufficient for most carry-on overhead luggage space requirements. Folds right back out. Alright, so that was a quick, wasn't gonna do an official unboxing, but got into it. So that is the XLC stroller from Zoe. This is gonna be our next travel stroller. We are going to the Philippines with it. Let me actually show you what our current travel stroller is. Alright, so as you can see side by side, I have our current travel stroller, which is the GB Pockit, and the Zoe XLC. They appear to be just as wide as each other. If you can see here, the handlebars on the GB Pockit is a little bit lower. This one has a little bit nicer as far as ergonomics because you can just hold it from the hand instead of this handlebar grip. So the canopy, as you can see on the GB Pockit, does not cover anywhere near, give as much sun protection as the Zoe XLC, and the GB Pockit does not recline. Alright, so I am going to try and do an official comparison between these two. This is just a quick unboxing, impromptu unboxing video of the Zoe XLC. Parker, do you like your stroller?
Yeah.
Which one?
I like this one.
You like that one? The blue one?
Yeah.
How about the red one? Alright, Zoe. Cheese! Well, Parker's only used to that one. We'll see on this one. Alright, over and out. And again, I'm going to try and do a much more official comparison video between the Zoe and the GB Pockit.